Hi, I'm Erin Willis. I'm the librarian at Pius High School. I started in August this year, and this is my first shipment of books. Just arrived at Pius Library yesterday, and we're going to open these books right now and see what we've got. First box, right at the top. This book, The Killers of the Flower Moon, is the book that was selected for the Lincoln City Library's One Book, One Lincoln reading initiative. I get a lot of recommendations from other librarians, and one book that has come up over and over and over is this book called My Lady Jane. I get a lot of young adult selections that come from reading lists. The Nebraska Library Association, the American Library Association, the Young Adult Library Association all has a list of top books for teens. Series books are always very popular. We get a number of readers who enjoy one particular author or one particular series. This one was new to me, the Chanda Han series. Looks like we have books 2 and 3. I imagine book 1 will be in here as well. Oh, Brandon Sanderson. He is a Nebraska author. Alan Bradley. He writes a series of books about a young chemist. This series started with a book called The Sweetness at the Bottom of the Pie. I ordered all of the books. We're up to 7 right now, so I'm hoping that some of the kids will get hooked on this series. Nancy Pearl is the only librarian I know of who has an action figure made for her, and she does a lot of book recommendations for teens, or for everyone, but this one is specific to teens and young adults. This one, I think just inspired by the movie. There have been a lot of people who've been interested in this book. It's also on the Great American Read Top 100 list, so it's one that's getting a lot of attention right now. So most of these new books will be on a new book display in the front of the library, at least for the next couple of weeks. And then after that, they'll be on the shelves, as everyone knows, by their call numbers. Fiction books will be on the fiction section in the south side of the library, and nonfiction by their call numbers in the north side of the library.